Hello, my name is John Peronich, and on this episode of How to Automate Your Company Using doForms, I want to discuss the power of our container tools. Containers in doForms are super powerful and allow you to lay out your forms so you get the most out of your device's real estate. They allow you to create spreadsheet-like sections in your form and to create dynamic forms that can expand automatically in response to real-world situations. I use our container tools daily when building forms for customers. They save me time and allow me to create a variety of forms that go far beyond basic question and answer type forms. Let's start with layout. The layout grid container makes it very simple to place tools side by side into multiple different columns. There are multiple layout grid types, each with a specific purpose in mind. First grid makes it easy to place questions side by side, each with a caption on top. It's easy to modify the width of each column, and grids automatically expand and contract as your device screen size changes. Another grid option lets you modify the layout, so the captions are on the side of each tool. Sometimes you want no captions. Let's say you want 3 fields, last, first, and middle initial, but you want the caption above them to say customer name. Simply create a 3-column no caption grid and then add a label on top. Use the remove space above and below parameters to take out any space between the label and the 3 fields below. Finally, since so many people use doForms to build mobile apps, we added a grid that will automatically center questions. Now you can ask for an employee ID number, add an enter button, and then display the employee's name in the center of the screen, hiding the text box and the enter button after it is pressed. Combine this grid with all of our hide logic, and you can easily build a mobile application that looks and functions like a real app and not a data entry form. Now let's move on to tables. Need a spreadsheet in your form? Tables create a multiple row and column structure in your form. What's cool about tables is that you can use all of the different doForms tools as columns in your table. So add a picture column, signature, GPS location, and/or a data dropdown. Add calculation columns, logic columns, and build sophisticated invoices, audit forms, and questionnaires. You can even turn your table into a checklist, and if you need more rows, you can configure the table to automatically add a row if all rows are used. Let's talk about repeatable sections. Sometimes you just don't know the answer until it's too late. Well, that's not a problem for doForms. With the repeatable, you can keep asking the same questions over and over again until you choose to stop. Need to inspect multiple floors of a building? It does not matter how many floors each building has. The repeatable will allow the user to start over with each new floor. You can name the repeatable header with data from your questions, and you can expand and collapse repeats for easy viewing. To learn more about containers and formatting your mobile apps, please contact us at 855-doForms or email us at sales@doforms.com. Thank you for watching, and check back again soon for more great content about doForms.